Okay, I'm going to show you how to add some stuff onto your website. This is a blog that we added on. I'm going to show you how to add that blog on. It's provided free by Homekeeper, which is a free account for Keller Williams agents. So you go down to the consumer tab there on the left, and it'll open this page up. You put create a new site, and you want to create a new site on your agent site. You hit create page. It's going to bring you to the page. The first thing you're going to do is change the name. I'd put blog space dash, just because you can name it whatever you want, whatever you're going to recognize. I figure that's what I'll recognize. I drag a text box over there. Don't do anything with it now. Right now you don't have to do this, but I pulled a branded header over there just to see what it looks like compared to what we've got already. And you do have to put one widget of some kind. The legal footer is a good thing to put in there. Okay, I highlighted the text there. I go over to the Homekeeper page, and we go to the widgets. There's two things. You can either do the trusted pros or the blog. We're going to the blog. You want to grab the iframe code instead of the JavaScript code, and then we just paste it in there. And that will do the trick, except for you got to configure the widgets, which is down at the bottom. We'll configure the second widget first, which is all the legal footer. Everything's good there. Go to the first widget. We're going to enter a little headline right there of my blog. We'll see how that turns out when it goes onto the website. Okay, configure that widget, save the changes. It is going to ask you if you want to open the site and the app pages. Yeah. You can do it either way, but it's best to go right to it and get this done. You see, it's not in that group, so we go at add page. We're going to go up here. This is what I named it, blog dash and the today's date. Go ahead and continue, and then you got to fill in the name, which is you got to fill that in. So I'm going to name it Homekeeper Blog, and then you got to do the slug. Okay, so that's the page title. That's what will show up on your drop-down menu on your website. This is the slug. This shows up at the end of your HTTPS, your website name / Homekeeper Blog. Now you can put in, if you got any SEO description you want to put in, that's fine. I don't right now, but I'll probably put some long tail SEO descriptions in there. You can move it anywhere you want. It puts it in at the bottom of the menu. You can move it wherever you want. I moved it right under where our blog is. Go into our website, refresh the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the drop down menu, and there it is, right under our blog that we usually do. So there's how it turns out. Now when you put that legal header in the top, to me it looks a little funky. It takes away a little bit of the page, but anyway, there it is. So I probably won't do that. I didn't do that on the one we had, but the legal footer shows up really nice. It has a contact form on it and everything, and like I said, you got to have one. You got to have at least one widget. So here we go. There's what our regular one looks like, the one we're going to keep on this page. Just gives a little bit more room. It shows our name and everything anyway. And we put the contact form in there, I believe, as one of the widgets.